Good morning viewers, Sage here and you're watching 𝐾𝐿 TV live from Sydney. This is the Stocks in Action show and we'll be taking a look at the few recently updated ASX listed companies along with a quick glance at developments across the equity and commodity markets. Firstly, let's take a look at the stocks that are under the spotlight today. Starting with the first news, shares of ASX listed gambling and entertainment company Star Entertainment Group were trading up. It has decided to withdraw its conditional non-binding proposal to merge with Australia's largest gaming and entertainment group, Crown Resorts, on Friday. And Star announced the proposal on the 10th of May 2021. However, as per Star's official release, Crown still is willing to engage with the Star in relation to a potential merger in terms acceptable to both the business entities. And taking a look at the next news, Kincora is trading up by more than 2%. It is an explorer and project generator focused on world-class copper-gold discoveries. The company shared today that it has started drilling activities at the Fairholme project, located in the Macquarie Arc of the Lachlan Ford Belt in New South Wales. The first phase diamond drilling at the Gateway prospect of 5 holes for approximately 1,700 metres will follow up multiple shallow to moderate depth, broad width and high-grade gold-copper intervals from the previous explorer drilling. And the Gateway prospect hosts a north-south trending 2-kilometre long by 300-metre wide gold-copper zinc corridor. And next up in the news today is Milton Corporation, an investment company. Shares of the company were trading up after sharing a record number of net tangible assets as on 30th June 2021. And Milton Corporation per share was $5.50 Australian out of the reported total assets of Australian $3.7 billion. The company reported a total portfolio return of 33.2% in the financial year 2021, with a strong income recovery in the second half of 2021. In addition, it reported a 17.8% increase in dividend income compared to the previous corresponding period. And the company also declared a final fully franked dividend of 8 cents per share and a full year fully franked dividend of 13.75 cents per share. The previously announced proposed merger with Washington H. Soul Pattinson is now subject to a shareholder vote, and a scheme booklet was to be dispatched to shareholders in August. And as per the release, total shareholder returns for financial year 2021 of 59.1% reflect a strong Milton Corporation and Washington H. Soul Pattinson share price performance post proposed merger announcement. Let's now take a look at the next share making the news. Pointsbet, a cloud-based wagering platform. The share price of the company was trading up after it shared today that its wholly owned subsidiary, Pointsbet New Jersey, has been authorised by the New Jersey Department of Gaming Enforcement to start iGaming operations. Pointsbet New Jersey has launched its proprietary iGaming platform in that state, and iGaming operations were launched in the state of Michigan on the 5th of May 2021 as well. The company's release mentioned that iGaming revenues in the United States have grown extraordinarily since the repeal of Professional and Amateur Sports Protection Act in May 2018. And Pointsbet informed that across all states in which Pointsbet has iGaming market access, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Michigan and West Virginia, iGaming revenues have reached nearly $900 million in the June 2021 quarter. New Jersey iGaming revenues in particular have grown at a compound annual growth rate of 25% from 2014 to 2018, with revenues having subsequently grown at 62% in 2019 and 101% in 2020. And Pointsbet also announced today that it has appointed Scott Vanderwell as the Chief Executive Officer for Pointsbet Canada, effective as of 17th August 2021. And lastly, we're going to discuss in this session assets management company Pendal Group. The stock of the assets management company were trading down after it announced that it has completed the acquisition of US-based investment manager Thomson Segal and Walmsley LLC. The Pendal Group has secured 96% consent of Thomson Segal and Walmsley LLC clients and expects to achieve 100% consent shortly After the close, it has achieved early transaction completion, reflecting cultural and commercial alignment and strong mutual commitment towards potential growth. And Thomson Segal and Walmsley LLC CEO John Revsnyder will lead Pendal Group's consolidated US business and join the Pendal Group Global Executive Committee. After the acquisition, its funds under management will be more than doubled, with the United States funds under management reaching, in Australian dollars, 62.5 billion. It will increase total group funds under management by 31%. As per the release, the company is expected to have double-digit earnings per share, accretive in the first full year post-completion. And before wrapping up, let's now take a quick glimpse through the latest developments on the ASX 200 and also the global markets. The S&P ASX 200 is down just 1.00 point today. Silver Lake Resources is down 10.76% and Northern Star Resources is down 3.90%. 7 of 11 sectors are lower today, along with the S&P ASX 200 index, and healthcare is the best performing sector, while energy sectors is trading lower. Moving on now to the US markets. Wall Street witnessed a choppy trading after the latest data showed a rise in the jobless claims as the economy faced challenges due to the coronavirus pandemic. While the Dow Jones rose 0.1%, the S&P 500 climbed 0.2%. The Nasdaq Composite surged 0.35% higher. And tech stocks lifted Wall Street to close higher on Thursday, and the 30-year Treasury bond yields were down 0.90%, while the 10-year bond yields decreased 0.42%. In the crypto world, Coinbase Global declined 1.56% and Bitcoin gained 1.93%, as well as Ethereum gaining 3.44%. Thanks for joining us on that report. That's all for now, but please stay tuned for more live expert talks and market updates from Kalkine TV. This is Sage signing off.